then they become bigger and bigger, and they become a bigger herd when they actually start getting also weaker because there is not enough food, and so becomes more a self-defense against lions. Why when they are in the rainy season, they are so strong that even for lions it's difficult to pull them down.
Ja, wie ist da die drei?
Yeah, looking at
Three
you.
of them.
Yeah, buffalo always look at you like if you owe them money.
Ja.
They are coming closer.
Ja. Just curious, hä?
Das sieht noch schön aus, wenn sie sich so hinterher verteilen jetzt.
Gerade im Gegenlicht.
Also im Gegenlicht. So.
Ich staune einfach, wie leislich die sind. Es sind so viele Tiere.
Aber es ist noch gut, wenn er sagt, weißt, könnt ihr euch noch erinnern, wie die durchs Wasser gewandert sind? Oh, das hat mich auch beeindruckt. Und jetzt da auch. Das ist gut.
It's enormous, so many animals, and then it's really quiet.
They are very quiet. They only when they get exciting there is more bellowing when they're going to water and like this, but otherwise they're fine. Like that elephant path is just a fence that they don't pass.
Ja, ja.
It's like their barrier. They get to that point, one step forward, and then they go back. Oh, that behavior.
Mas que é Victor? Vai Pepela.
Ah, schau, wie sie so schupfen.